Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. So please share this video and then like. If you are having any queries, then comment guys. So here I started the Facebook as well as Telegram group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from the three different colleges. Here the UGC or PhD is not mandatory, no exam and no application fee also. So let us see the details regarding these notifications. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is GL Bajaj group of institutions. So from this one, applications are invited to join us as Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering, Management and Chemistry. Also required the technical staff in CSC, telecallers and data entry operators. So eligible and passionate candidates can email their resume at careers@glbajajgroup.org. Okay, and here the contact number is also given here, and the official website is also given here. So if you belongs to these departments without UGC or without PhD, okay, only if you're having the post graduation also, okay, so send your resume to this provide mail ID guys. And if you're having any queries regarding this advertisement, here the contact number is also provided, so you may contact to this one. Okay, so it is one college, fine. And next, the second college is Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences. Okay, actually it is from Bangalore. And you may check down here the different positions are there guys: administrative positions, teaching positions, non-teaching positions, SRF and JRF and RTBA. So different positions are there. So whatever you want, you may check down. Anyhow, I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video. So it is assistant professor in public health. Okay, and assistant professor or lecturer vacancies are also there in the different departments, and you may check the assistant professor vacancies in the faculty of social sciences in the area of data analytics and psychology, sociology, public policy of economics, and coming to the faculty of law and aerospace engineering, and coming to the department of mechanical and manufacturing engineering and computer science and engineering. Okay, and civil engineering and fashion design, faculty of art and design, and coming to the assistant professor, tutor or a lecturer in the department of mathematics. Okay, so here the respective corresponding departments, the respective mail IDs are provided here. So the interested candidates may send their resume to the provided mail IDs guys. Okay, so these are the vacancies from the Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences. Okay, the location is Bangalore, and the next college is a CMR University. Okay, the CMR University is also located in the Bangalore guys. That means the different branches are there. So you may check down, okay, which branch you require. Fine. So these are the different schools are there. Okay, and here the colleges are there. Fine. So you may check down what are the different departments and the different colleges here. Okay. So I will provide this official website link in the description box of this video guys. And here the application form link is also there from the CMR University. See guys, so you have to fill up your personal information and academic qualification, and any skill certificates are there, and your employment record and whatever the last salary drawn. Okay, so fill up all these details and then click on the submit. Okay, then based upon the requirement, okay, you may get the call guys. So these are the three different institutes from where the faculty recruitment were announced. So GL Bajaj is from Mathura. Okay, so all these three are from South Indian vacancies guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the 2021, so both the UG Senate paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.